Good evening. And to those of you who are watching, listening from the UK, what a beautiful evening. I think for pretty much all of the UK, the weather has been pretty lovely the last couple of days, and this evening is no different in that sense. The sun's been shining, people seem to be a little bit brighter, a little bit lighter. And for those of us that are lucky enough to be able to spend some time in some outdoor space, what a wonderful way to be spending this Monday evening in May. But for many of us, the opportunities are often few and far between to spend time outside, and lots of people have a lack of outdoor space, or maybe even struggle to find the time to go for a walk or just spend time outside. So, as a bit of a reminder, this particular video, this particular audio is to, well, its focus is to try and bring our attention back to nature and just remind ourselves that we aren't separate to nature in itself, that we are, in fact, a part of nature. I think the way that towns, cities, countries have developed, often as human beings, we see ourselves as separate to the natural world, and ultimately, I think that really does lead to us feeling more disconnected. So, when we take a pause this evening, I would invite you to reflect on how we as humans are a part of the natural world. So, as we settle in this evening, just to take a few moments just to pause, I invite you to find yourself a comfortable position. And if you're sitting down, if you can, have both feet on the floor, taking a tall pose and thinking about having your roots as your feet on the floor, allowing your shoulders to relax, allowing your limbs, your arms just to fall wherever feels most comfortable. And inviting you now just to take some deep breaths, breathing in and breathing out. Just noticing the rise and the fall as you breathe in and breathe out. With the next outward breath, if you haven't already, closing your eyes as you breathe out, just allowing your breath just to return to its natural rhythm. Can I do anything in particular with your breath? Just noticing as you breathe in and breathe out. Noticing the sounds around you, noticing the weight of your body, the points of contact between your body and the floor, your body and the chair. Now I'd invite you to try to bring to your mind an image of nature. This could be somewhere that you're very familiar with, or it could be somewhere that you've never been before. may even be somewhere that you've created in your mind. So imagine yourself in a neutral spot just for a few moments this evening. Try to pay attention to the colours, shapes, textures, maybe even sounds, smells. Really trying to place yourself in that natural spot. It's quite likely that your mind is wandering. Might be thinking about what you've got to do this evening or what the rest of the week ahead lies in front of you. It's okay, that's what our minds do. Just trying to bring your attention back to the image. If that's too tricky at this stage, that's absolutely fine. Just try to bring your attention back to your breath and start from there. This isn't about whether you're doing it right or doing it wrong. It's just giving yourself a bit of time this evening. If you notice that your mind is wandering, that is okay. Start by bringing your attention back to your breath. Doing anything in particular with your breath. Just noticing the sensations as you breathe in and breathe out. You start from there. Come towards the end of this pause this evening. Just remember that you can take this image with you at any point, whether it's later today, whether it's later in the week, or at any point. Just taking some deep breaths, closing your eyes, and reminding yourself that you've been to this natural spot before. Now just starting to notice the weight of your body again. Mixing the points of contact with your body in the chair, your feet on the floor. Noticing any sounds that might be around you, that are close to you or further away. No rush with this, but when you're ready, slowly starting to open your eyes, allowing them to adjust to the light in your surroundings. You might want to move your body, you might want to have a bit of a stretch. Just moving in whatever way feels most comfortable for you now. We move onto whatever is next for your day.